with acquisitions.
There are limitations as to what we can do if they, in fact, they don't have any objections. In the most extreme circumstances, I think Congress would have an ability to step in, but it's...
And that's one of the reasons officials and members of the Livestock Marketing Association traveled to Washington, D.C. this week to meet with the Justice Department attorneys who are reviewing the proposed JBS Swift purchases. Nancy Robinson is Vice President of Government Affairs and Industry Relations for LMA. She tells me LMA doesn't officially oppose the acquisitions. The organization does want to make sure the Department of Justice understands how cattle markets work.
Well, we certainly have, within our membership, a fair amount of concern about what it means. And, we don't particularly have any official position, but yet there's enough concern that we took the opportunity while we were there to sit down with Department of Justice officials to talk about not only how our industry works and what the implications might be